Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. It's me again, Teacher Kent. And today, we are going to study. We are going to study all of your Let's Go Chapter 4 because this coming Friday, we are going to have a speaking test. So please listen. And some of you do not turn on your microphones or cameras during those times. But I need you to have those so that I could give you your speaking test scores. So please listen to me while we review about chapter 4 or unit 4 on your Let's Go book. That is around town. So this is where we first started to know about our topic. Our topic, Unit 4, Around Town, it basically teaches us about directions. So let's start. Listen to me while I read the words in page 30. By the way, you can also I think it's better if you bring out your books too and you read along with me. Okay? So let's start. Kate, where's the food court? Do you know? Jenny, no, I don't. Let's look at the map. Kate, here it is. It's across from the music store. Jenny, where are we now? Kate, we are here. We should go this way. Jenny, there's the food court. Where are the boys? Kate, they're over there, next to the ice cream shop. Jenny, I see them. Now, I went to Bangkok this Saturday, and I was lost too when I went to a mall. But thankfully, the malls in Bangkok, they have this one. They have maps. So this is important for you to learn because some of the maps in the mall are in English because there's a lot of foreigners living in Bangkok, even in Thailand. I'm a foreigner and I live in Thailand. So that's why it's important for you to learn about directions. Now let's go to the second page, page 31. Okay, read with me. Number 1, ice cream shop. Number 1, ice cream shop. Number 2, bakery. Number 2, bakery. Number 3, sports store. 3, sports store. 4, music store. Number 4, music store. Number 5, clothing store. Number 5, clothing store. Number 6, food court. Number 6, food court. Number 7, bookstore. Number 7, bookstore. And number 8, game store. Number 8, game store. Now, the thing that you must remember about this is there are 3 phrases that you will use. The first one is next to. Okay, the first one is next to. And what does next to mean? Next to means it's either left or right of an area. So for example, if I ask, where is the game store? And what is to the left of the game store? It's the bookstore. So you can say the game store, it's next to the bookstore. Okay? Or if I say, where is the bookstore? And the bookstore is next to the food court. Oh no, the bookstore is on the right of the food court. So you can say the bookstore, it's next to the food court. Okay, so it can either be left or right. left or right, as long as it's beside. Next to also means beside. Okay? So that's the first word we review. The second word we're going to talk about is this one, across from. It's not a word, it's words anyway. The next words are across from. Now, across from, it's the opposite of next to, because across from, they are not beside each other. They are in front of each other. Okay, so the bookstore, where is the sports store? You could say that the sports store is across from the bookstore. Remember, you use across from if there is something like this. What is this one? What is this one? These are called the path or the streets or the roads. So in this example, there's a road between the bookstore and the sports store. So you could say the bookstore is across the street from the sports store. You could also say the game store is across from music store. You could also say the food court is across from the bakery. That's it. That is what across from means. Now let's go to the next one, between. Between, it's in the middle. So if something is in the middle, something should be what? There should be at least 3 different things or places. So in this example, let's pick 3. Let's pick 3 different places. Let's pick the sports store, the music store, and, well, let me just undo that one. Sports store, the music store, and the clothing store. So which one of these is between? Which one is in the middle? Of course, the one in the middle is this music store. So you could say the music store is between the sports store and the clothing store. Or another example, the food court, the bookstore, and the game store. Which one is in the middle? It's the bookstore. So you can say, where is the bookstore? The bookstore is between the game store and the food court. And that's it. That's for page 31. Let's go to page 32. Okay, let's go on the corner, around the corner from. This is page 32. Let's read together, okay? Number 1, on the corner. Number 2, around the corner from. Number 3, on the right. Number 4, on the left. Number 5, across the street from. And number 6, next to. You just look at the pictures and you will know what does on the corner mean, what does around the corner mean, what is on the right, on the left, across the street from, and next to. So let's apply this to page here. No, not that page. Page 33. Okay. What are the 5 choices? The first one is on the corner. Remember, the corners are here. The corners are where there are an intersection of 2 streets. In this case, it's an intersection of Main Street and Elm Street. So the places that are on the corner here are the bank, the ice cream shop, the gift shop, and the bakery. So if either of them are asked, where is the bank? You can say the bank is on the corner. Where is the ice cream shop? You can say the ice cream shop is on the corner. Where is the gift shop? You can say the gift shop, it's on the corner. You could say bakery, where's the bakery? You could say the bakery is on the corner. Now, let's go to the next one. Around the corner from. Around the corner from simply means from where you start to the other area. So for example, you are here. Where is the beauty shop? You can say the beauty shop is around the corner from the bank. Okay, so you need to find which one is the corner first. So if I say, where is the restaurant? You can say that the restaurant is around the corner from the bakery, because the bakery is at the corner. Okay, let's continue. Next is on the right and on the left. If I ask, where is the beauty store? You will say the beauty store is here. The beauty store is here. It's on the, what's that? Left or right of the bank? That is left of the bank. You could say the beauty shop or the beauty store is left of the bank. How about the bookstore? Where is the bookstore? Is that left or right of the ice cream shop? That is the left, okay? The bookstore, it's on the left of the ice cream shop. How about the ice cream shop? Where do you think the ice cream shop is? Well, is that on the left or on the right of the bookstore? It's on the right of the bookstore. You could say the ice cream shop is on the right of the bookstore. Next, it's across the street from. In order for you to use across the street from, there must be at least a street. If they are like this, the bank and the grocery, they are not across the street from. They are next to. But the bank, it's across the street from the bakery. The bakery across the street from the bank. The bank across the street from ice cream shop. The ice cream shop across the street from the bank. The bookstore across the street from the beauty shop. The grocery across the street from the music store. And all of the places that have streets, you can say they are across the street from each other. Finally, we have next to. Next to can either be left or right. It's just beside. Okay, it's same as beside. So you can say, where is the beauty shop? You can say the beauty shop, it's next to the bank. Where is the bank? The bank is next to the beauty shop. That's it. That's your answer. Easy, right? Now let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next page. Now this is page 34. Please read with me. Number 1, go straight. Number 2, go to the corner. Number 3, turn left. Number 4, turn right. Number 5, go 2 blocks. And number 6, cross the street. Okay, how are we going to know about this? We are going to use this one. On the go straight, it means you just go forward. It depends on where the arrow is pointing. If it's pointing up, you go straight up. If it's pointing to the right, you go straight to the right. If it's pointing to the left, you go straight to the left. That is what go straight means. Next, it's go to the corner. Remember when I said about corners, they need to have roads. This is a road, 2 roads at least. 1 road, 2 roads, 1 road, 2 roads, 1 road, 2 roads. All of those are what we call roads. So the corners, they are these places right here. That's a corner, that's a corner, that's a corner, 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 corner. Basically, it's the edge of an object. Okay, so when I say go to the corner and you start right here, it means you go right there. If I say go to the corner and you start right here, it means you go right there. If I say go to the corner and you start right here, it means you go right there. That is what go to the corner means. Next is turn left and turn right. Always remember, look at me. You don't know what is left or right, you do your fingers like this. You make 2 little L's and you look at it. Which one is the correct letter L? It's this one. This means that this is the left side. This is the right, this is the opposite, and this is the left, the correct one. So you just turn left, turn right, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Next, go 2 blocks. This is what we call a block. This is also a block. This is also a block. This is a block and a block. All of those are blocks. So when I say go 2 blocks, I mean you go past 2 places. So first place and the second place. If you start right here, go 2 blocks, you go 1 block and 2 block. If you start right here, go 2 blocks. This is 1 block. This is 2 blocks. That is what block cross go 2 blocks mean. And finally, cross the street. It's just moving to another place. It's like across the street from. You just cross the street. And that is it for our review for today. Don't worry, we will have review again on Friday before we have our speaking test. So I will see you then. Bye-bye.